are...
Who are we? Who are we?
Kia ora and warm Pacific and Indigenous greetings to you all. Today is...
Pink Shirt Day!
Hello everybody, my name is Mina Ruaporo, aka Pinky, and I am your pink shirt host for today. Today I am also joined by...
Destiny, Meko, Rina, Losa, Poco,
who are also our Polyclub and Hakas in School tutors. I know you're this family and you want to trust.
Woo!
So in this video we will be spilling a little bit of diversity. Basically I will be asking our tutors questions and they will be giving their answers and what those questions mean to them. We will also be giving our tutors some challenges. These challenges briefly touch on respect, unity and the importance of standing and working together as a team, utilising discussion and movement. Everybody, think pink!
Pink, pink, pink!
Now it's time to spill the diversity. Question 1. What is something people may not know about you?
I'm the oldest out of all my siblings.
I am the youngest in my family. I have a twin.
That I'm Tongan and that I can speak fluent Tongan.
I also have a twin too.
Thank you so much. Question 2. Who is someone you are proud of and why?
My mum, because she has to put up with all of us every day.
I am very proud of my mother, and I'm also proud of my big sissy. My sissy has accomplished a lot in life. Ooh. I'm proud of my mom because she's held it down for us for a while. I'm also proud of my mom and also my dad for always supporting me in whatever I do, and yeah.
I'm also proud of my mom for everything she does for me, and I'm very proud of my little sister Vika, who's living far, far away from everyone else and family, and she's still doing great. I think she's a bit cuckoo now, but...
I'm proud of my parents because, like what these guys have said before me, they do a lot for not just for our family but for the community as well. And I'm proud of my siblings because we're always there for each other and they always have backs, period.
Thank you all for sharing that. A massive shout out to all our mum and dads out there who continue to hold the fort down for everyone. Clap, clap, clap! Yay! Cool. Question 3. What is something you are grateful for?
I'm grateful for living and breathing and that I woke up this morning.
Amen. I'm grateful for my family and my friends. I am also grateful for family and friends.
I'm grateful for love and for the talent that we all have to share with the world.
I'm grateful for the job that I have because I get to meet a lot of the students and new students and teach them kaupapa.
Nice, nice. Nobody grateful.
Grateful!
Question 4. What is something you'd like to get better at? What is something you'd like to improve on?
Be more confident.
Mine would be being less angry. Mine would be there's a lot.
Remembering to hurry.
Hey!
I'm so sorry.
Take one. No. Time management. I need to stop eating bad food.
I need to stop worrying about what other people think about me because that messes with my mental health. But yes, that's what I want to improve. I need to trust and believe that I can do it. Yeah.
Being confident in myself and portraying my skills and talent. Period.
Nice. Everybody repeat after me. I believe that I can do it. I believe that I can do it. Woohoo! Question 5. What is one thing that helps you have a great day at work?
Having someone to vent to at the end of the day.
Mine would be having a great sleep. the response from the kids is like a rewarding feeling.
I think because I always start my day by picking up this one, so I think a great day for work depends on how she gets in the car and chooses the music. It's always a good day at work.
Having great food in my system and having a kata with the staff.
Question 6. What is a whānau or family tradition you still continue today?
Celebrating birthdays together.
Mine would be Christmas at Mum and Dad's, Christmas lunch.
Just taking my nana out to see the world. Just taking my nana out to be more active.
Every morning, the first thing we do in the morning when we get in the car is say a prayer. And then the last thing to end our day is say a prayer together as a family.
Well, basically, my whole family works, so during the week we're all busy, and every Sundays, our Sundays is the only time where we all get to just sit down on the table and enjoy each other's company and talk about each other's week.
Oh, thank you for sharing that. Let's move on to question 7. What is something you loved doing as a kid?
Being free.
Everybody say no bills.
No bills! When I was younger, I used to make burgers out of leaves outside Mum's house, Mum and Dad's house. Mum had these leaf scoring coming up our stairs, so I used to make that as the buns. And then there was this yellow flour, that was my tomatoes. I wouldn't eat it, promise. Are you sure? I'll be skinny by now.
Mudsliding in the islands when it's raining. That was our playground. We didn't have like an actual playground in the islands.
Mine was back in the islands too. I would climb trees and fall off trees and climb them again just to fall again. But yeah, that was my favorite thing to do.
When I was a little kid, I used to play with my parents' papers from work, and I used to pretend that I was like in the office and pretending to teach my imaginary children.
Oh, bruh. I can vouch for that too. Those times were all day. Question 8. What is something you do outside of work that you really, really enjoy?
Getting home, seeing my niece and my mum, and then go to sleep.
Mine would be that I can still perform outside and being able to do what I love most, which is fire knife dancing. Yeah.
Mine is the beach. I like to just go and sit there and talk to myself and the birds. No, I actually love going to the beach because the water makes me calm and it reminds me of home.
Playing and having cuddles with our dog named Mumu, and spending quality time with my partner. Period.
Oh, my one's going home to my family and my boyfriend.
And me too. Shout out to Mumu.
Shout out to Mumu!
Question 10. Who or what in your life brings you joy?
Everyone here and my family.
Mine is my niece Amari. She makes me laugh. She makes me angry. My niece Amari and my mom.
For me, it's my family, friends, and food.
I have 2. One of them would have to be my mom, because whenever I have my moments or whenever me and my siblings have our moments, she's always there encouraging me to always love my siblings and to always keep and pushing forward for tomorrow's going to be a new day. And my second one is our staff of Ngauri o Whititera, my Lemoana Trust. They bring so much joy into my life and to my heart and soul. So much. Only because this is like another happy, safe space for not only me, but for us tutors as well, because not only do we get to do work, of course, but we also get to have free time with each other, have a kata, and just love each other. Period.
Totally.
My grandparents give me heaps of joy, and also my partner, he makes me happy, and my Hakas in school tutors.
Shout out to all our families, all our partners, and a big shout out to Amari, aka Miss Bridget. Our last question. What is something that helps keep you grounded day to day?
My mom and boss. Boss grounds me every day.
Speak up, stand up.
I'm scared.
I love you, Mom.
Something that keeps me grounded is my journey to where I am right now. When I look back to how far I've come, that's when I'm grounded.
Mine would be my family here in New Zealand and my family in Samoa. They're the reason why I do what I do. Always make sure I'm doing the right thing and I always try to make them proud.
Mine would be my siblings and my mum. Also knowing that my dad is watching over me every day.
Mine would have to be my siblings and my parents again. I guess they keep me grounded in what I do, and just having the feeling to give back to my parents for what they've been through. And with my siblings, I guess just having one sibling that's continuing, that's right here in your ear and just encourages you non-stop every day, every night, every morning. And thank you.
Wait, you're talking about me, right? Yeah, that's a good thing. I love you so much. Shout out to Pickle. Cool. Well, that brings us to the end of our Diversi-Tea. Thank you very much for sharing and opening up. You guys are so awesome. Totally. Absolutely.